The engineer word came from ingenuity, and so you really put that to work here at CDOT.
But there are things baked into a DOT that you can't manufacture it.
It matters because we affect every life in Colorado and those passing through Colorado.
Everybody that I work with has a conscientious thought process of how do we make things safer for our communities.
It's knowing that CDOT is just part of an entire system to try to make a more holistic system so that people can commute faster or more efficiently so that the economy can continue to boom, because Colorado it's still booming.
As an entry-level EIT, I have really enjoyed the work that I've been doing. I think that it's really hands-on in the project, so you can really dive into whatever project you're working on. I like that there is a clear career progression as far as where I'm headed next. I know what's available to me. I'm here for the learning opportunities, and I really want to make a meaningful and long-lasting impact on my community.
We've worked really diligently on over the years, just trying to lay out a plan for our new engineers and kind of have a process for them to continue to grow at CDOT, so that as they do progress into a project management role, they have the well-rounded experience to understand what it takes to put a project together from all fronts.
CDOT is really invested in growing the engineer, and it's not all about billable, billable, billable. It really is investing in the future of CDOT in order to build really great things for the public.
I had never done any roadway construction, so I came in this all being completely new to me. Thankfully, CDOT has a lot of knowledgeable people, and the mentorship is really there, and there are so many classes, and it's super exciting to see something from the start all the way to the end, really going through the life cycle of construction.
You can stay within the CDOT organization and bounce around between some of the different specialty groups, design, construction, hydraulics, materials. You have those opportunities to cross-train and to figure out, hey, what am I passionate about?
At CDOT, I actually went out into construction. I can see both sides. I get to pick what I'm interested in. I even get to have more say over my projects. To have the ability to put something in a computer, what it looks like just lines, and then actually go out and see it in life and actually watch it get built. Understand the equipment that has to fit into the space that you told it needed to be, and watch the crews work and watch it get built. And then drive it later on. Drive over with your family in the car and be like, I did this. That's really exciting. That's a huge perk of CDOT.
We work to live, not live to work. And I think that's really present in the way that CDOT allows people not only the flexibility to work from home, but also having the ability to work in close proximity to your home. You work in the environment, in the communities that you live in.
Yeah, after working in the private sector for 20 years, I was pleasantly amazed at how hard people worked, how passionate they were about what they did, and how knowledgeable of what we were doing.
Then I came to the flood recovery program. I was a consultant for the flood, became really passionate about the program and became a program engineer at CDOT, and now I'm the RTD. And I think it's because I genuinely enjoy people, and I'm pretty passionate about not just engineering, but all the work that we do to maintain our transportation system.
If you want to touch and have a direct hand on the roadways, the bridges, the culverts, that infrastructure that your friends and family drive each and every day, come work with us. We can give you that.
When you have a statewide group of experts of over 3,000 men and women who really know how to do their job and do it well, you have untapped resources right at your fingertips.
Yeah, I mean, I think if you're looking for a rewarding profession that has an excellent work-life balance and you want to make a difference in the work that you do every day, I don't think you can find a better place than the Colorado Department of Transportation.